Amen. As a result of Jesus sacrificing his life on the cross and ascending to the heavens, he's there for us. Amen. All right. Also, it says in this verse here, it says that it says, for every high priest taken from among men, which was Levi, that's what they did. And we know Jesus did not come from among men. He ascended down from the heavens. That's a gift of God for us. And we said in the topic, we review that in the book of John, the 1st chapter, that he may offer both gifts and sacrifices for sin. We know in the Old Testament, the gifts and the sacrifices, the gifts being the animals that God gave them, they had to bring them for sacrifices. Amen. And we already established that Jesus was the ultimate sacrifice for us, that he sacrificed himself, his body. Amen. Verse 2 said, who can have compassion? And when we think about